So we've done strength tests with this freshly recast bathtub by throwing hockey pucks at it and by hitting it with things. But what about more common things in your actual bathroom that can cause damage? So today we've set up a 3-shelf display where we're going to drop a heavy full soap bottle into the unit. That's going to have sharp corners and that could potentially cause damage. We've also got a shaving can, and then lastly we've also got a shower wand, which is actually the most common thing that causes damage in a refinished bathtub. So let's see how they do on each shelf, see if we get any damage into the unit, and we'll go from there. So first off, we've got the soap bottle and the shaving can. And as you can see, this is all one take, all live, no damage. Let's go set them up again. Shelf number 2 here. Promotion for Axe and for whatever shaving cream this is. Bang. Ooh, that was a nice one. Yeah, that's probably gonna wreck it. Wait, no damage. No way. All right, let's try it again. From the top level. That was pretty scary that time. I'm pretty sure it's going to get damaged now. Well, it broke. It made a mess. I'll just leave that in there so it doesn't spill. Also broke. No damage though, just a blue mess. And I was going to drop this in there, but I really don't think that's going to be the best way to test this. We might as well try a little harder. So cover your ears, turn down your volume. 3, 2, 1. Well, aside from the blue soap everywhere, we're in business. Didn't even break the shower head. I hit that pretty hard. Well, if that's not going to cause damage, I don't know what is. But when you recast your tub with the Ekopel 2K, this is what's going to happen. It's going to last you forever. The only other test that we can run that will make any kind of a difference, except for show, is going to be if we do a water test and soak tiles that have hard edges underwater, which we're going to do a daily video where we leave one tile of refinished, one with a traditional spray finish in it, and we're also going to leave one tile that has been done with the Ekopel, and we're just going to coat just the center of the piece and then let the water do its work, and we'll daily see how soft the material gets and how well it's going to hold up underwater. But aside from that, you're never going to have any damage with these units, and they're going to be brand new. If you can subscribe to our channel, it really helps us out. Also, if you can hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see us break anything else on these tubs, feel free to write it in the comments. We'll break pretty much anything, or if there's another item that you think that might cause damage, we're happy to test it out. But for Refinished Bath Solutions, have a great day. Thank you.